it today. I know I don't want to take it out. It's crappy out, but I wanted to get some gas in it and stuff. So I'm currently going to an AutoZone to grab some vacuum lines so I can get that boost gauge hooked up in the TT, so I could actually crank up the boost and not be scared of anything bad happening. Hopefully I get that boost gauge in and we could hit around 20 to 25 pounds depending on how much I want to go. But my car should be safe up until 25, so I'll probably stop around 22 or something like that. But I'm just hoping for 20 pounds. I'll be happy with that. So we're gonna go grab that boost line or vacuum line, and then I'll see you guys back. Guys, I just grabbed 8 foot of vacuum line, so we're gonna head back and throw it into the Audi, splice a boost gauge in, and then we'll get a good reading. All right, what's going on, guys? It's the next day. It's 8 degrees outside right now, so obviously I'm not gonna be doing any work on this car unless I have a heated garage somewhere. Jonas says that I'll probably be able to bring the car over just so I can throw in the boost gauge real quick to his shop after work. But yeah, it's 8 degrees outside, so it's miserable. But I turned up the boost a little bit, so I'm just gonna show you guys a pull. The car's not all the way warmed up yet either, so I'm gonna drive it for a couple minutes first. But yeah, we're gonna throw in the boost gauge today and then hopefully hit 20 pounds. So right now I'm about at 14 pounds according to the boost controller, and it doesn't really feel fast, so there's nothing to worry about. But hopefully later we get 20 pounds and make some good power. So I'll show you guys this pull real quick. This is third gear at 40 in Mexico. There is snow drifts everywhere too. It's kind of crazy, but gonna go anywhere. So I don't know if anything cool happens. I'll post it, but I probably won't post this. Like I said, it's like 18 degrees today. I'm going to Jonas's shop right now. We're going to Coach Light, and I'm going to throw in this boost controller, pump up the boost a little bit, and I'm just going to show you guys what we're doing, I guess, when I get there. So see you guys at Coach Light. All right, ground and power. Just using the ground right here, and then power on one of these is for the ignition power. So that's how we're going to use the power for the boost gauge. Vacuum line ran right through the firewall, so goes through the firewall. Here's the boost line. We're gonna tee it right off the fuel pressure regulator. This is super temporary, but I just have it right here. But as you can see, you turn it on, it works and everything. I'm gonna probably put it in one of these vents or something. But in the meantime, it's good for now, just so I could actually get to a boost level I'm comfortable at. Cold start. Look at this. SS.
Recaro seat.
Digital dash.
Be careful, ice. It's cold out here. What's this?
Those brakes are huge, dude. Alright, Jonas just started his car. He's gonna follow me to my house. We're gonna throw in the T.
It's on like a fucking glove.
Oh yeah, fits like a glove. Rodnick.
Hamburger helper.
Like, it just goes up on the sensor.
Oh, it goes on.
Alright,
Alright, so look at this mint gauge pod setup we have. Fucking wire strippers.
Wire strippers. Everything exposed to it.
So we're about to go check this thing out. Let's see how much boost we're running now with this boost controller setup. Shout out
Volkswagen heater cores.
glycerin. Oh shit.
So yeah, I've never told you guys this, but the heater core is bad on this car. That's why the windows are always fogged. I ordered the part. It was like $38, but it won't be here for like 2 weeks anyways. And I'm really dreading that job because on these cars, you need to pull the whole dashboard out to do it, which is, I mean, on most cars you do, but this car, it's terrible to do. I'm gonna actually try to push it right here.
Exactly, because I'll end up breaking every clip.
Yeah, I will.
It's beautiful out. We're on the planet Hulk right now. What you gotta do? Turn it up or down? Next adjustment. Full send, boys. Full sends. This is my.
Well, if it's picking at like 16, that's not a lot at all for this car.
Yeah, but you gotta like get yourself a lever, some lever room.
Oh yeah,
so
no,
never.
if it's close to like 20, I'm gonna stop.
Yeah.
That parking lot looked good.
That shit was icy.
You think this guy will get butt hurt if I
Yeah.
slide it? Really?
Yeah, look at him. He thinks he's the king of lot. He's the king of the lot, dude.
Fuck him.
There's an island there. Yeah, it's like around 18, 17.
That one I was shifting on $5,000. So.
Yeah. Drop down in the comments if you think that guy in the Dodge Ram was a butthurt.
Yeah.